Hey guys! In today's video, we're looking at Google AI for Workspace and the powerful AI features that many teams still aren't using in 2026. If your business, remote team, or organization uses Google Docs, Gmail, Sheets, Slides, or Meet, you're probably missing out on tools that can save hours every week. In this video, I'll show you the most useful Google AI Workspace features and how they can make your daily work much faster. So, let's get started. Google AI is now built directly into Google Workspace, meaning you don't have to switch between different AI tools to get work done. Whether you're writing emails, creating presentations, analyzing spreadsheets, or taking meeting notes, AI can help you complete these tasks in just a few clicks. Let's start with Gmail. Instead of writing every email from scratch, Google AI can generate professional emails based on a simple prompt. It can also rewrite messages to sound more formal, friendlier, or shorter depending on your needs. If you receive long email threads, AI can summarize the conversation, helping you understand everything without reading dozens of messages. Next is Google Docs. This is one of the biggest productivity upgrades. Google AI can generate reports, blog posts, proposals, meeting notes, project plans, and other documents within seconds. If you've already written something, AI can improve the writing, fix grammar, simplify complicated sentences, or even rewrite the entire document in a different tone. Google Sheets also becomes much more powerful with AI. Instead of spending time creating complex formulas or organizing large data sets, you can simply describe what you want in plain English. AI can help generate formulas, organize information, identify trends, summarize data, and make spreadsheet work much easier, even if you're not an expert. Now let's talk about Google Slides. Creating presentations usually takes a lot of time, but AI helps speed up the process by generating outlines, organizing your content, suggesting layouts, and helping you write speaker notes. Instead of starting with a blank presentation, you can begin with AI-generated content and customize it to fit your project. Google Meet also includes some impressive AI features. During meetings, AI can automatically take notes, summarize important discussions, highlight action items, and even provide meeting recaps for people who couldn't attend. This means your team spends less time writing notes and more time focusing on the actual conversation. One feature many businesses overlook is Gemini inside Google Workspace. Instead of opening separate AI websites, Gemini works alongside your Workspace apps. You can ask questions about your documents, summarize information from multiple files, generate ideas, draft content, and complete tasks without leaving your workflow. Everything stays connected, making collaboration much smoother. These AI features are especially useful for marketing teams, customer support, HR departments, project managers, developers, teachers, and small business owners. Repetitive tasks like writing emails, creating reports, organizing data, and preparing presentations can now be completed much faster, allowing teams to focus on more important work. Of course, while AI can dramatically improve productivity, it's still important to review everything before sharing it with clients or coworkers. AI-generated content should always be checked for accuracy, especially when working with business documents or important communications. Overall, Google AI for Workspace is transforming how teams work in 2026. From smarter emails and documents to automated meeting notes and faster presentations, these built-in AI features help businesses save time, collaborate more effectively, and boost productivity without changing the tools they already use. That's it for this video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Google AI tutorials, workspace tips, and the latest AI productivity updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.